Yeah, man, gang. And if you just a forward, you don't know, we live right now reacting to AI Millie PGLT project that he just dropped. Right now we on the what? We on the what, third track. Leave on the TV. You see me I say? So yeah, it's a vibe. You see me I say? If you're just a forward, you hit the like button, drop a comment. You don't know what time it is. Big up everybody in Kimani Edwards, Nicky J. Big up on the damn self. You see me? Yeah. Leave on the TV. AI Millie. Let's get it.
The prettiest girls love trap.
Aye. This be love on TV. Yeah. This be all the shows that we used to watch when we was kids growing up. Turn on the TV, babe.
Okay, TV program. Millions to watch all I love tune and grow but dream all over I know it.
The feelings of a physical make me sing like high school musical. She said me sweet lemonade that
Bala. Yeah, man, this is a lot of a physical, man. Let me sing like high school musical. Yeah, man, if you can, let me sing like where dog name? What the dog the name, man, the brown hair, well, I'm not going to say sharp, even though I like something, you know, don't judge me. You see what I'm saying, dog? Say, if you love me, let me sing like high school musical. I don't want it. Come in.
lyrical.
Yeah, man, easy. Dog, the easy.
The feelings of a physical make me sing like high school musical. She said me sweet lemonade that feel lyrical. Keep me close but when you're the originals. She come and palm my picture.
She said me sweet lemonade that feel lyrical. Lemonade that feel lyrical. You get it? Lyrical lemonade. This nigga, hey, go on. Hey.
Girl, we stay tuned to the tools that natural. Hope you stay right by me. We just watch love on TV. More than give my heart and ribs. We just watch my wife and kids. They even know what the Benz is. Remember days when we did I watch Fresh Prince. She have to chill like net.
Me give me heart and ribs. That's how I my wife and kids. Easy, you know? Hey, this a vibe. This song on this song. Hey.
Remember days when we did I watch.
Come in, you know, AI. Me like the sound of the acoustic. You know, they look. He got that signature song. Come on.
Just watch love on TV. More than give my heart and ribs. We just watch my wife and kids. They even know what the Benz is. Remember days when we did I watch Fresh Prince. She have to chill like Netflix. Cause she okay like TVJ. And she beat them like C.
Easy. It got name out the whole like TV show them, the online show them, and the TV channel. Easy, go ahead. Yeah.
She have to chill like Netflix. Cause she okay like TVJ. And she beat them like CVM. Malcolm and I am niggas, so we don't need them.
Easy, come in.
Love on TV, dep on my couch I watch Netflix series. Always and forever come and need she. Me just a call on your phone like glitch shit. If she a power puff girl, me I go preach it. I know a teen for the wolf, me a banshee.
Man, they want the cartoon. Hey, dog used to watch. Hey, AI Millie. Come on, gang.
A puff girl, me
Doing your thing, my G.
I go preach it. I know a teen for the wolf, me a banshee. Me read it like a book, like me find the Jumanji. Blues for clothes, but me don't know Angie. You can't sponge on the bomb.
Hey, blue seclude, but me. Hey, man, this, yo, no, man, me like this. This made me wanna go crazy, gang. I should have an idea me react to this. I would have lost my damn mind. Look, it's at 1 o'clock in the morning, you know, dog. Yo, look, hey, listen.
Me read it like a book, like me find the Jumanji. Blues for clothes, but me don't know Angie. You can't sponge on the bomb. We never have nothing, so me know what more. Where the kids next door, so we are number one. If she a muck feel.
This man naming all our entire childhood, bro. Come on, this man, hey, yo, this, but love on TV, my nigga. AI Millie. This tough. This mad creative, bro. I like the Bro, come on.
You can't sponge on the bob. We never have nothing, so we know I'm up. We're the kids next door, so we are number one. If she a muck feel fun, though, Jody Jagan. Be a vampire and I'm a diary.
She a muck feel fun, no joke.
We Steve up a circle, the Urkel for that dodge.
Steve up a circle.
I was a dragon, but me know you forgot. Just turn on the TV, more awful so that the feelings of a physical make me sing like High School Musical. Keep me close, but we know the originals. She come and palm my picture and for my girl.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. This song right here, bro. I don't know if y'all do y'all feel this?
We stay tuned to the tunes that natural. Hope you stay right by me. We just a watch love on TV. More than give my heart and we just a watch my wife and kids. Yeah, they even know what the Benz is. Remember days when we did a watch Fresh Prince.
Oh my God, this is bad.
She up a chill like Netflix. But she okay like TVJ. And she beat them like CVM. Yo, Flo.
Easy, no man. Hey, the man named out our entire childhood, bro. Every show that used to come on TV, bro. All the cartoons, all the TV shows, all the that bad love on TV, bro. Jeez, people don't even watch TV nowadays. Like everybody on their phone, their computer, tablets. Yo, AI Millie, big up your damn self. That was mad creative, bro. That I get added to my playlist, bro. Girl playlist, love playlist. That is dope as hell, man. No cap. AI Millie, you did yourself fun. You did the thing on that track, fun. Let's get it again. What is our now? Next one, we're up on a size 6. You see me? That's the 4th track on the AI Millie PGLT project, man. So we keep the vibes going. You see me now? Pause up nothing. You see me? Yeah, you love Nikki J said she loved that one too. Yeah, man, Nikki. Yeah, man, baby girl, we miss her on the channel, man. You see me? I say big up herself, man. Yeah, she said she loved that one too. Big up herself. Yeah, man. That was a good track, ain't it? My creative, my different. Yeah, man. Big up herself, yeah, Emily. Well, yeah, this one I am. Size 6. We're gonna check it out right now. Keep the vibes flowing. Let's get it.
Yo, Rizzy. What's hearing?
Why that was sound like Chronic a while ago?
Oh, one of my fave. Level the vibe, take time, babes.
Come on.
Drink slow, get the mind straight. You can't drive with me, walk by faith. My buy a size 6, cause I don't play. A PGLT, I saw my life stay. I put my heart on
size 6, cause I don't play, you know. That buy a shows. If you don't make it go over my head. You see me answer?
I'm up so day in the trap. You see me up a cup, baby, I never that. Shine the lights, gone. Shine the light, yes, come. Should have stand by me. Should have stand by me.
Come on.
Nothing that change, just the vibe twist. Expensive girls wear size 6. I talk to myself, they even like it.
Say expensive girls wear size. Yeah, hold on.
Expensive girls.
Hold on. Where that drop in?
Shoulda stand by me. Shoulda stand by me. Nothing that change, just the vibe twist. Expensive girls wear size 6. I talk to myself, they even like it.
Come in on.
Make you fuck on the toll low mileage. And I can't turn us so me have to go for mileage. Or posted another chopper where you
and I can't tell us so we have to go for mileage. Yeah. Get hey.
Find me, them call me chop star one time, nobody else would have called me. JCF no have no more break it down. Shoulda I'ma take you to my island. I walk through and I'm a palace. You see pain around, I don't see you can't manage.
Come in.
You say the Jericho full of can like pride. I'll take my time to make you mine. I'll take my time just to make you smile. Cause I be.
Come on, what go on?
Cause I be bleeding up Zenith. Cause I be I'm sweeping up Zenith. Cause I be
That's gonna be sweeping up Zannies. That boy be under Zan.
I take my time when the night is gone and the land is gone. Stand by me. You can't tell me how to live my life is. Me drip a fuck with their brain low mind chicks. I take your time.
Easy, we.
And the land is gone.
Did it.
Stand by me. You can't tell me how to live my life is. Me drip a fuck with their brain low mind chicks. I take your time in the streets of my life. She freaky, you fuck that I miss me nasty.
Easy, hey boy, hey Millie, hey Millie, what you know about that? Hey, that's
get about you all of my assy. She said
that boy be on Twitter too much, boy.
I'm enough to bring a blick in at the party. Blast at the coupe, say back like a ride. Shoot.
Come in, hey Millie, but yo, so far the album is lit. Mad creative, mad different. Hey, yo, I like it.
Take my time to make you mine. I take my time just to see you smile.
Come in, man.
One vice.
That bad. AI Millie. Yeah, man. You know what I am? Size 6. You see me I say, me no play so me go buy a size 6. I want to. Yeah, man. If you don't know what it is, hey. But that's not only what he meant. He said about that in the actual track. But yeah, man, gang. Yeah, I mean, so far the album are going great. The next one we have actually put the track. This is track what? Track 5? Yeah, track 5 we got Drugs You Should Try It. You see me I say, gang. So we're gonna check it out, so dog I deal with. You see me? Keeping it moving. Let's get it, man.
In the head, 1,000 miles away. Let's get it.
Man said drugs you should try. Hey boy, yeah, I really easy. That bad influence, that boy.
I need it when you should. I know you like. I know you like. Going with that. 1,000 miles away. In the head, oh yeah. Oh, I need it when you should. I know you like.
Come on. Ooh.
Try it, in the head. Oh, I need it when you should. I know you like drugs, and I would die for you. This other shit like Folko. A regular, me try drugs, but you should. The first time I try loving it.
Hold on. The man said this is the shit in the Folko, brother. Regular, me try drugs, but you should. Easy, no? Come on.
Oh, I need it when you should. I know you like drugs, and I would die for you. This other shit like Folko. A regular, me try drugs, but you should. The first time I try love, it never work good. Another rising star, not the virtue. Yeah.
Come in now, man.
I'm not planning something never would have hurt you. Me tell Scalo bring Molly and perks too. And I'm half white like virtue. And them drug I make you skip every hurdle. They are travel from Spain, they are Portland. But tell you
them drugs that make you scale every hurdle.
what God be in
Big up everybody in the chat. If you're just coming in, drop a like, drop a comment so you can get a shout out. You know we vibing. Come on.
Portal, where them pillar make a mucky walk Oakland. A Scalo spaceship run pound full tank. 2 me living on me like me see this already. The first time I take a pill, me swim me never ready. And that's why me have to turn to me ID. Out already one people, but I know many. Oh yeah. Oh.
Come on now, let's get it.
I need it when you should. I know you like. Try drugs in the hills. Oh, I need it when you should. I know you like drugs, and I would die for you. When the days get brighter, the night get finer. I always feel this way. In the hills, I hear you calling 1,000 miles away.
where you quoting that from? You can't quote that from somewhere.
In the hills, oh yeah, oh, I need it when you should. I know you like drugs, I know you like drugs, and I would die for you.
I think he got that from Travis Scott. Is that a Travis Scott sample?
I tried it, it feels right. Shit, it really feels right. But them things I'm walking and sleep for a night. So see up in I'm vibe, I pay for a night. Whoa, say back for a second, right. 6 to 12, no, I 5 on the past night. You ever talk to yourself and say it alright? I blew up in a self for that big, say go on life.
Come on.
In the hill, oh yeah, yeah. Oh, I need it when you should.
Yeah, that's it. Hey, come on. I used to love that. Yo, hey, I've been listening to the same tracks I've been listening to. Like, I used to listen to every Travis Scott. This is what's it called? Rodeo?
Try to in the hills, oh yeah. Oh, I need it when you should. I know you like drugs, I know you like
drugs. Come on.
Drugs, and I would die for you. 4G3 Foundation. Advice. Sasuke. Those guys elite.
Come on.
Entertainment. What? Let's get loud.
Come on, gang. Yo, drugs you should try it. Oh, it's hey. This man, AI, alright, I see what you doing. AI Millie, you're not easy, you know? You're not easy. Careful. But yeah, man, big up. Drugs you should try. Yeah. Travis got the same song name like that, right? Hold on. Well, anyway. Yeah, man, gang. That was Drugs You Should Try with AI Millie. That bad. Do definitely remember that Travis Scott song. Used to listen to Travis Scott song. You rolling stone. Hey, this man is heavily influenced by him, bro. That's crazy. Anyway, gang. Yeah, next track what we got. Yeah, AI Millie, Ocean Eyes. Yeah, let's keep it pushing, man. I'm liking this album. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Very, I'd say cohesive. It flows. Yeah.
PGLT. Pretty girls. Love trap.
Is that Carter?
Beauty in your eyes. There's no limit for you and I. Please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I get lost in the ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes.
Let's live on Mars. What's up? What's going on?
Please don't leave and don't you cry. And don't you cry. Beauty in your eyes. There's no limit for you and I.
If you just have followed in, I don't know, we are streaming AI Millie, PGLT, Pretty Girls Love Trap. We on the 6th track. You see me and say the one in the Emotion Eyes. You see me and say it's a total vibe. So far it's been a good album. You already know at the end of the stream you can watch the stream from the beginning. Also I'm gonna upload the video. You already know, hit the like button, drop a comment. You already know we vibing. Come on.
Please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I get lost in your ocean eyes.
Any other substance for any tears. Regular my malfunction, I will the fate. To my eye for life, my dog a level tate.
Hold on. You came in kind of fast, but I want to hear any of the substance for any tears. Come in, man.
Please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I get lost in your ocean eyes.
Any other substance for any tears. Regular my malfunction, I will the fate. To my eye for life, my dog a level.
It's a really good malfunction, I will faith, you know, man. Come in, man.
Remedy come like a remedy for meditate. Stop live for people, man, tell us straight. Did have to jump couple friends, cause them a wally gate. We never fluctuate, she busy.
Big up yourself, Unruly Star 876. Mad. She say, yo, Unruly Star, she say, him say, Unruly Star say, yo, me listen to the album to work on the subway. It bad. Big up your damn self, yo. Yeah, man, the stuff I listen to it, man, that flow, man. That mad creative. You see me? Love on TV. The one that we just listened to a while ago was what? Drugs You Should Try It. Well, you know, that came out. What else? Yeah, it's flowing. It's flowing. I like it, man. Ocean Eyes run right now.
Tell a fuck for weight. A condensate a money me evaporate. Me cigarette ash a light incense. They like fall, no love coming no have sense. But some girl I lose faith, not the man them.
Cigarette. Cigarettes look like it. So I love fall, I love coming no have sense. Hey, I know, yeah, man, you enough money, no man. When them in love, and they really they drunk off fight. You see me? They nah no.
Ash a light incense. They like fall, no love coming no have sense. But some girl I lose faith, not the man them. Or some me yam for the gang I be land them. Me love guns, some me
Man to the girl, them I lose faith, them man them some yam for the girl and be like anthem. Easy now, that's simple. Yam it.
fall, no love coming no have sense. Or some girl I lose faith, not the man them. Or some me yam for the gang I be land them. Me love guns, some me bro like common sense. The same one they say I broke them people have sense. P91 talk to the hops them. No Karachi but
P91 talk to the hops them. I want here, man. Man, they know, man. Come
sense. P91 talk to the hops them. No Karachi but the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 black belt say what you want in a body. I know you want them.
No karate, the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 black belt boy. No. Man, off your face. I want you, man. Come in. No. Hey, I'm Millie dog.
You want talk to the hops them. No Karachi but the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 black belt say what you want in a body. I know you want them a fund the economy. I'm an hypocrite, my born in the politics. It makes difference when I pay another song I mix. Say what you want up on me.
Easy. Yeah, Millie's going crazy. Yeah, Millie's definitely going crazy, man, on this album, bro. Man doing this thing.
𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐿 black belt say what you want in a body. I know you want them a fund the economy. I'm an hypocrite, my born in the politics. It makes difference when I pay another song I mix. Say what you want up on me. I know battery for me energy no Panasonic. My dog stop play spills cause they make a vomit.
Man said no battery to me energy and no Panasonic. Come on. Hey man, this album is, I'm really, the tracks on this are fun, creative, and just, yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, it's supposed to be depressing and dark, but it's low-key kind of refreshing. I don't know what's going on with this album. Let's get it.
I know you want them a fund the economy. I'm an hypocrite, my born in the politics. It makes difference.
Nicky J said, pull up, say what you want. Hey, should we take this one from the top? Come on, man. I like this one.
PGLT. Pretty girls.
Let me know if you like what I'm going. Let me see comments them on. I want to think about the album, man. I mean, man.
Beauty in your eyes. There's no limit for you and I. Please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I'll get lost in the ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes. Please don't leave and don't you cry. And don't you cry.
Come on. The beat is crazy. Like the whole vibe, isn't it? Have we heard this beat before? Any other artist on a beat before? All these beats so far, I need to listen now. Let's get it.
Any other substance for any tears. Regular my malfunction, I will faith. To my eye for life, my dog a levitate. A remedy come like a remedy for meditate. Stop live for people, man, tell us straight. Did I for jump couple friends, cause them a wally gate. But never fluctuate shit.
Come in, man, just the whole, come on.
Busy tell a fuck for weight. A condensate, a money me evaporate. Me cigarette, ash a light incense. They like fall, no love coming no have sense. Or some girl
cigarette, ash a light incense. Come in.
I lose faith, not the man them. Or some me yam for the gang I be land them. Me love guns, some me bro like common sense.
Me love guns, some me brawling like common sense. The P9, come in.
Same man, I say I broke them people have sense. P91 talk to the hops them. No Karachi but the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 black belt say what you want in a body. I know you want them a fund the economy.
Say what you want in a bother me. I know you want them a fund the economy. Come in, man.
The same man, I say
we don't have no time for people, you know. You see me when I work, man. You see me, I say. We don't sit down and listen. We don't pay attention to people talking. You see me, we just keep working and focus. That's it.
I broke the people have sense. P91 talk to the hops them. No Karachi but the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐿 black
belt. Come
belt say what you want in a body. politics. It makes difference when I pay another song I mix. Say what you want up on me. I know battery for me energy up on a sonic. My dog stop play spills cause it make you vomit.
This is nasty. This track is nasty, bro. No man, I should DM me and listen to this, bro. I want to go crazy right now. I want to go crazy. This is crazy, gang.
It makes difference when I pay another song I mix. Say what you want up on me. I know battery for me energy up on a sonic. My dog stop play spills cause it make you vomit. And it's a shoot. You want talk to the ups them. No Karachi but the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 black belt. Say what you want in a bother me. I know you want them to fund the economy. I'm a hypocrite, my born in the politics. It makes difference when I pay another song I mix. Say what you want up on me. I know battery for me energy up on a sonic. My dog stop play spills cause
I know battery for me energy in a Panasonic, brother. Come in.
make you vomit. And it's a shooting star in the silicon.
That means you can't plug out and plug in. You see me?
But beauty, eyes, there's no limit for you and I. So please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I get lost in the ocean night. But beauty, eyes.
Come in, man.
For you and I. Don't you cry. Oh, why you think me not go back? That pussy there, trash it yet. Make I'm find love and left it lonely on the block.
Man, say, why you think me not go back? That pussy there, I charge me, man. Me say so, yeah, me say so, come here.
Oh, why you think me not go back? That pussy there, trash it yet. Make I'm find love and left it lonely on the block. Me used to lazy, but me stop a bit, now whipping at the trap. Me stop popping and stop popping on the pack.
Man, say, when you say, you start popping and stop popping on the pack.
So they are trash yet, make I'm find love and left it lonely on the block. Me used to lazy, but me stop a bit, now whipping at the trap. Me stop popping and stop popping on the pack. Forgive them, me see them through the car, yeah.
Them dead.
Some of them gal, I mean, I see them from last year. Forgive them, me see them through the car, yeah. Last files, me see them from last year. Say what you want.
Some of them gal, I see them from last year, you know, man. I don't have to few. Hey.
No bother me. I know you want them to fund the economy. I'm a hypocrite, my born in the politics. It makes difference when I pay another song I mix. Say what you want up on me. I know battery for me energy up on a sonic. My dog stop.
Yeah man, the line they crazy. This gonna be an anthem, bro. Come on, bro. This is gonna come on.
When I see them through the car, yeah. Last files, when I see them from last year. Say what you want, no bother me. I know you want them to fund the economy. I'm a hypocrite, my born in the politics. It makes difference when I pay another song I mix. Say what you want up on me. I know battery for me energy up on a sonic. My dog stop play spills cause it make you vomit. And it's a shooting star in the silicon. But beauty, eyes.
Dog, stop the excuse, make you vomit. Come in.
There's no limit for you and I. So please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I get lost in the ocean night. For beauty, eyes. There's no limit for you and I. So please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I get lost in the ocean night.
Yo, do you hear the hook? That's a beautiful hook, you know, listen to it.
Guys, there's no limit for you and I. So please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I get lost in the ocean night.
The boy AI really deeper than hey, here I go.
Born in the politics, it makes difference when I pay another song I mix. Say what you want up on me. I know battery for me energy up on a sonic. My dog stop play spills cause it make you vomit. And it's a shooting star in the silicon.
Man said it's a shooting star, yeah, you see the comet. Hey, another voice cartel like a come in.
Beauty, eyes, there's no limit for you and I. So please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I get lost in the ocean night. For beauty, eyes,
there's no limit, hey.
There's no limit for you and I. So please don't leave and don't you cry. Cause I get lost in the ocean.
Please don't leave and don't you cry, cause I get lost in emotion. Those
ocean eyes, please don't leave and don't you cry. Don't you cry, yeah. Beauty in your eyes, don't leave me for you and I. Please don't leave and don't you cry, cause I get lost in your
emotion. Nice, come
on. Ocean eyes.
Any other substance for any tears. Regular my malfunction and all the fate. To my eye off like my dog a level tate. A remedy come like a remedy for meditate. Don't stop live for people, man, tell you straight. Did I for jump?
The remedy coming like the remedy for meditate. Come here.
Couple friends got them a holy gate. We never fluctuate, she busy tell her fuck for weight. A condensate, I'm on me evaporate. You and you.
No condensed milk, I'm only me.
You know, you can't go suck with the woman. Nah, buddy. And there's two sides to every story. I'm gonna really care if you know your mind.
Hold
I fuck for weight. A condensate, I'm on me evaporate. You and you. You know, you can't go suck with the woman.
You and you. Well, no, can't go.
Nah, buddy. And there's two sides to every story. I'm gonna really care if you know your mind. For the real business, you know my tummy. You pour up my.
There's two sides to a story. I don't really care if you hear mine. Yeah, this is crazy. Big up yourself. Hey, I'm Millie, bro. Yeah, this man been to it, bro. The man say you and you. We can't go suck no matter normal. Some girl do dark something dark. Some girl, couple girl, either separate or them a friend or whatever that do dark something, man. Man say you and you suck no matter. You see me I say normal. There's two sides to every story. I don't care if you hear mine, you know. You see me I say big, for real, dog. Big up AI gang. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me I say for real. But yeah, Millie, bro, you doing your thing on this track, man. Me nah lie. But I gotta do anything on this track, man. It's a vibe. Hey, Millie. Next one. Yeah, let's keep the vibes going though. Yeah, man. We got the next one is Belize. You see me I say gang. Track number 7? Yeah, we're now all over vibes. Let's get it. Wow, go on.
One vibes. Yeah, vibes. You. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Cause I got you.
Yo, do y'all want me to break this up in a part 2? Cause this shit got 20 tracks. Or y'all want me to do the full thing? Let me know. Y'all want a part 2? Or y'all want it in a one go? Let me know.
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. I'm lost sometimes and I be caught up. Just make up with me, I call you. You be on my mind, there be no harder. Nothing to me like you. I'm lost sometimes.
Come in, you know. Right.
And I be caught up. Just pick up with me, I call you. You be on my mind, there be no harder.
Hey, yo, yeah, Millie's a lucky lover boy still, you know. All him have one, you know, the top G, top girl.
Nothing to me like you. You're too far, me need to see you, please. I call you Bella, when I'm mad, I call you Bellies. You know, forget, pa my nerves, them pay you for do it. But every time when we fuck, we hear melodies. You know.
Man say, yo, we call her Bella, but money call her Billy.
You heard for real, I just explain the things to me. Now watch the media, them only want to come between. Like enough of them, nah enough food, no clothes, them yard no clean. Till I go love, no matter what.
Can't watch the media, no dog. Can't follow them.
And nobody said to me, I'm lost sometimes and I be caught up. Just pick up with me, I call you. You be on my mind, there be no harder. Nothing to me like you.
He'll be on, hey, this vibe, hey.
I'm lost sometimes and I be caught up. Just pick up with me, I call you. You be on my mind, there be no harder. Nothing to me like you. Don't you realize so you're stuck with me for life? Ain't like you got a choice. You have to my little wife, you didn't speak to you nicely. So make your eyes see just
Come in now, man. Easy now.
do it like Nike. And this a loyalty, you make my head swell. My toxic and my dance and my can't spell. You want be an influence, might as well. My want live now your head like hair gel.
Facts. I want to live in the head like a hair gel. I want to like a hey, yeah man, like the glue on your edges. I want to, yeah man.
Sometimes and I be caught up. Just pick up with me, I call you. You be on my mind, maybe no harder. Blessing nothing to me like you. I'm lost sometimes and I be caught up. Just pick up with me, I call you. You be on my mind.
Easy enough, nice. Hey.
Maybe no harder. Blessing nothing to me like you. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, cause I got you. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no.
Let's get it.
Oh yes, we gon' fight, believe we gon' fight. Yes, we gon' fight, we'll fight for our right to love, yeah. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Oh.
Yeah man, gang. Boy, AI Millie. Yeah, man. Hey, this whole album is a vibe. The girls gonna love this shit for real. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. The one named Belize. You see me as a gang. Now, what? Track number what we on? 8. Man, gang, I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, this shit, we're flying through these tracks though. I might want to do a part 2 because I think I want to do something in the day, man. This is crazy. You see me as a saying? But let's get it though, gang. This is track number 9. This is one God Said You. You see what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Me had the type of fall in love, the type of never shame. Me had the type of keep it sunny when it never rain. You are the one we ever seen, never change. Yo, Shotty, God, the world. God.
Come in now and don't say, God said your mama, wow, go on now, hey. Where I have so? Where I have so, mama, come in.
I these keys, love, I fight depression. But God said, you love are the only weapon. Demons and monsters are similar obsession. Love are the opposite term, no everybody special. That's what me make it by your list, cause we know I lie. And there's something to love, just open up your eyes.
Talk to them. I see that boy, AI. Well, I'm starting to get into that, try to see the beauty in everybody, and that's when I start to hear from this other music, you know. There's something to love, just open up your eyes. You see me, I say? Maybe at one point somebody needs to see something in him. You see me, I say, I feel love. So I say, yo, bro, I really go and die.
Love obsession, love are the opposite term, no everybody special. That's what me make it by your list, cause we know I lie. And there's something to love, just open up your
say, yo, make you find. Hey, weird. God said, you come in.
I these keys, love, I fight depression. But God said, you love are the only weapon. Demons and monsters are similar obsession.
Man say, yo. God said, the love are the only weapon, you know. Man said, demons and humans. Come on, demons and love are similar obsession.
But God said, you love are the only weapon. Demons and monsters are similar obsession. Love are the opposite term, no everybody special. That's what me make it by your list, cause we know I lie.
The whole land, this thing.
Depression. But God said, you love are the only weapon. Demons and monsters are similar obsession. Love are the opposite term, no everybody special. That's what me make it by.
Man said, love are the opposite of what, Rob? Everybody special.
Obsession. Love are the opposite term, no everybody special. That's
man said love are the opposite of rum, and don't everybody special. You get it? Cause you have to call it special. Alright, come on, let's get it.
Obsession. Love are the opposite term, no everybody special. That's what me make it by your list, cause we know I lie. And there's something to love, just open up your eyes. A life simulated jungle, I for survive. Not like rainbows or the butterflies. Me at the time.
Hey, come on, AI Millie dog.
Life simulated jungle of a survive. Not like rainbows or the butterflies. Me are the type of fall in love, the type of never shame. Me are the type to keep it so.
I'm not lying, rainbows, but the butterfly there in there.
The butterflies. Me are the type of fall in love, the type of never shame. Me are the type to keep it sunny when it ever rain. You are the type to save me, I know me never change. Me won't stay up on the chapter and skip a page. Them are
Ooh, come on, man, some type of fall in love on them.
like rainbows or the butterflies. Me are the type of fall in love, the type of never shame. Me are the type to keep it sunny when it ever rain. You are the type to save me, I know me never change. Me won't stay up on the chapter and skip a page. Them are the type of bash people for nothing at all. Them are the type of want for break, you want for see you fall.
Yo, this man got something to say, bro. That's what I like about this. He got something to say. A lot of people saying stuff, but they ain't got shit. This man is saying something, though. I ain't gonna lie, he got something to talk about. He's talking about a topic, and he's talking about it differently. You see me what I'm saying? Differently from how most people talking about this shit. You see me what I'm saying? Come on.
Yeah, but if we are gonna fight for whatever they want, and nobody don't perfect, we full up of flaws. God said you, and ain't nobody can tell me that that's not true. God said you, God said you.
Nobody can tell me that that's not true. Come here.
And ain't nobody can tell me that that's not true. That's not. We used to live in the Nile toss, running wild. You think inside cool and make you walk outside. Me used to only as a child, so me feel inspired. Living a different world, I use all my time.
Bro. AI Millie.
That's not. We used to live in the Nile toss, running wild. You think inside cool and make you walk outside. Me used to only as a child, so me feel inspired. Living a different world, I use all my time. And if anybody used to love me, then I call me line.
If you're that easy love, don't call me live.
Things get ugly, but the pretty tell her all the time. Things get ugly, but the pretty tell her all the time.
Things get ugly, but you're pretty. Tell you all the time.
What a nightmare, it's not a nursery. I these keys love up at depression. But God said you love are the only weapon. Demons and monsters are similar obsession. Love are the opposite term, no everybody special. That's what me make it by your list, cause when I lie. And there's something to love, just open up your eyes. A life simulated jungle of a survive. Not like rainbows or the butterflies. God said you. And ain't nobody can tell me that that's not true. God said us. God said we. Hey, shady. And ain't nobody can tell me that not true. Yeah.
Come on.
God said you. And ain't nobody can tell me that that's not true.
This track.
God said you. God said you. And ain't nobody can tell me that that's not true. Yeah.
AI, bro. You doing your thing on this track, G. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not even going. I like this track. I like this. I know it's different from the typical albums and songs we be listening to on the channel, but I'm liking the flow of this whole track. I'm liking the vibes. Yeah, man. This man out here singing love songs with them raspy voice and shit. Man don't have a singing voice, but dog making this shit work. Big up yourself here, man. You want like modern day Bojo Band. You know what I mean, bro. If y'all get what I'm trying to reference. Yeah, man. Dog doing his thing, bro. AI Millie. Alright. Yeah, dog doing his thing on this album, bro. Different from what I was expecting, which is good. Which is probably good. It's different from what I'm expecting. But probably a lot of people gonna expect a lot of chop this. As you know, I say chop that goes with dark. You know what I'm saying? But he took a different route with this, man. He took a different route with this stuff. No cap. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm liking it so far, bro. My creative, my different, but it works. It works. It works well. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. We're gonna jump to the next one. This one is called Pesos. You see what I'm saying, gang? I might call it that night after this one. Might break this in part 2. You see what I'm saying, gang? Yeah, we're gonna do this last one. This was one. I should have wait to leave Pesos. I'm gonna leave Pesos for tomorrow, man. I don't want to go over an hour mark. You see me? So I'm gonna leave the rest for tomorrow. From Pesos down, man. So far, I'm like that. But so far, I'm loving the album. We're gonna break this in. We're gonna break this in 2 parts. I ain't gonna lie to you. AI Millie, you doing your damn thing, and I'm interested to hear the rest, gang. We're gonna do another live tomorrow. We're gonna do part 2, and we're gonna do Jamal rated D for done. So, see me, I said we're gonna live tomorrow. We're gonna be active, gang. Trust me. Yeah, man. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. I don't know, it's a boy. Yeah, man, gang. Good night. I'm out.